Hi, my name is Amran Mahamed and I'm third year medical student. Being nominated was a big surprise for me, but I felt really honored. As part of the Somali community, I've always connected with its members, understanding the struggles they go through. That's why I try to help the children in different ways. I regularly take them to the library where we pick up some books, I assist them with homework and go to school meetings with their parents. After starting my medicine studies, I realized that our healthcare system is not accessible to everyone as it should be. Understanding your patient is crucial in becoming a good doctor, and the language barrier makes this really hard. Hence, I accompany some people to their appointments and translate their needs. Even though I've always loved my studies, the university did not always feel like home to me. Joining the Board of Students Association Avicenna enabled me to create a safe and welcoming space for lots of students. In the end, we formed a warm community that I'm so grateful for today. I do not think of the things I do as big. If anything, I genuinely believe that everyone can do something to contribute to their environment. So look around you and look for ways to make things better.